guys? So this is gonna be a little giveaway video I'm doing. Shout out to my sponsor Aux Beam, and shout out to my other sponsor Marquez. So we're gonna be doing two giveaways, guys, because thanks to you guys, my IG page is 10K followers right now, and we hit 5,000 subscribers on YouTube. And so I want to do two giveaways, you know, one for the IG page and one for the YouTube page, just to show you guys how much I appreciate you guys. So for the YouTube page, Aux Beam, we're gonna do this LED light pole. Changes colors. It's Bluetooth. You can attach a flag to it, or you can run it without a flag. It pretty much goes anywhere on the truck or car you want to put it on. So yeah, it pretty much goes anywhere you guys want. And the cool thing about this one is it is a quick release detachable one. As you can see, you can disconnect it and connect it whenever you want, so you don't have to drive around with it on or with the pole just hanging, you know, all the time. So that's the cool thing about this one. So, you know, off-road trucks, lower trucks, you guys go to meets, you guys go to events, you guys want to light up the night, cool little giveaway. This would be a little cool thing to have, you know, make you stand out. I mean, if you do win and you don't want it, you know, get some money for it, buy yourself something else. But yeah, guys, this is gonna be the YouTube giveaway for Aux Beam. And if you guys want to enter for the Marquez giveaway, make sure to follow me on IG at Dope Theft. I'll also be posting it on my other IG, OneSlowHD_Bulls. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for everything, you know, subscribing, liking, commenting. Appreciate everything. Thanks to you guys, you know, I'm here doing what I'm doing. I continue to do what I do because of all you guys. And yeah, I hope one day, you know, get bigger. And I want to be the Freddie LSX of Arizona, if you know what I mean. So the way to enter the Aux Beam giveaway, make sure you guys follow Aux Beam on IG. I'll be posting their IG somewhere right here. Make sure to follow Dope Theft on IG, and then all I need you guys to do is those two things. Make sure you guys are subscribed, make sure you guys like this video, make sure you guys turn on your post notifications, and once all that is done, just comment down below done. Be like, hey, I'm done. And at the end of the week, so this contest is gonna go for 1 week. At the end of the week, I'll pick a winner. But that's all you guys have to do. And then if you guys want to enter the Marquez and Dope Theft giveaway, make sure to follow me on Dope Theft. Follow Marquez HID Lights on Instagram. Also be posting his IG right here. And we'll be giving away some OBS lights. If you guys have an old body style Silverado, we'll be giving away some cool custom headlights for those. Like I said, you know, if you win and you don't have an OBS, you can always sell them. Get some money for them. Buy yourself something else. But yeah, guys, those will be the two giveaways. That's pretty much it. Like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you turn on the bell notification. Comment down below done. Later, guys.